Assalamu alaikum. If you want to know that how can we insert and format shape in the Word document, so I will let you know in this video. As you know, in the last video we have learned about the insert picture, that how can we insert our picture in the Word document. So guys, let's get started. Stay with me and keep connected. Welcome back to my channel Solution to IT. This is me, Urusa Kamal. So guys, as you know very well, we are covering insert tab. So in the insert tab, there is the option of shapes. So there are different types of shapes. You can take any one. I am choosing this one. So I have drawn the shape. Now I want to format that shape. So guys, when you click on the shape, so you will get the option of formatting. Now you can format your shape with these different options. So first option is edit shape, means you can edit your shape. When you click on the option of edit shape, so there you will get two options, change shape and edit points. Means if you want to change your shape, if you want to replace that shape, so you can do this. Just like I want to replace my shape, so I have changed it. Now if you want to edit your shape, so you have to click on the edit points. So now I will get some different points for editing. As you can see, we can edit the shape. So basically this is the option for editing shape. When I will click on the shape, so the option of formatting will be appear to you again. So if you want to color the shape, so you can do it, as there is the option of shape fill, shape outline and shape effects. If I click on the shape fill, so I will get different colors. You can fill your shape with different colors. As I have filled the shape with yellow color. Now there is the next option of shape outline. As you can see, we have given the outline to our shape, and there is the next option of shape effects. There are different options. I am taking the 3D rotation. So guys, in this way you can change the dimension of your shape. And there is the next option of position, means position object, means if you want to change the position of your object, so you can do with this option. As you will see, when I will click on the option, so the position of shape is changing. And there is the next option of wrap text. Wrap text is the option where you can align your shape with your text. So for applying this option, we will have to move toward the text. So as you can see, this is our text. Now I want to insert the shape. I will go again in the insert tab, and there is the option of shape. I am drawing the shape. As you can see, I have drawn a shape. Now there is the option of wrap tags. As you can see, there are different options. First option is inline with tags. So as you can see, the position of shape is changing, and there is the next option is a square, third row, and top and bottom. Behind the text means if you want to bring your shape behind the text, so you can do it. And there is the next option in front of text, means if you want to bring your in front of the text, so you can align your shape with the text with the help of the wrap tags. Now there is the next option of bring forward and send backward. If we will click on the bring forward, so different options will come to you: bring forward, bring to front, and bring in front of text. Because I have already applied this option, bring in front of text. If I will click on bring forward, because the shape is already in front of the text, now if I want to bring the shape, so there is again the option of send backward, send to back, and send behind text. So if I will click on send behind text, so as you can see, the position of shape has been changed. And there is the next option of selection pane. If you click on the option of selection pane, so you can see that option will appear to you: show all and hide all. Means if you click on the show all, so all the shapes will be appeared what you have selected. And if you click on the hide all, so all the shapes will be hidden. Now I am again clicking on the show all option. So as you can see, now the shape has been appeared again. So I am taking another shape to show you some more options for formatting the shape. So when I will click on the shape, so different option will appear again, and the next option is align objects. So there is the option of align left, align center, align right. So you can align your shape with this option. So as you can see, that was the different option. So guys, as you can see, when I will click on the shape, so the option of formatting will appear. So So guys, that's all for this video. I hope you have understood it properly. I will see you in the next video. Thank you.